Hello, I am Daniel and I'd like to welcome you to the joy of repairing. I'm very happy you are here today because we are going to work together step by step on a fantastic repair project. Please take your time and work at your own pace. Speed will come with practice. So let's get started and prepare all the tools we need today.
This is the project we will repairing today. I think you will find this repairing fun as well as an excellent learning experience. First, the side cutter, a fantastic tool for making tiny little cuts. Look at the tiny and shiny sharp edges. Perfect. Then the wire stripper. You can also work with a simple model, but I would like to emphasize the importance of a high quality tool here. And I promise it will work like a dream. We will using the solder, but sure to use lead-free solder. Your health will thank you. However, solder only in well-ventilated rooms. The soldering iron. See that fine, precise tip. Don't settle for a simple soldering iron. Instead, use a soldering station that allows you to precisely adjust the required temperature. The shrink tubing. With this beautiful, silky, shiny shrink tubing, we can insulate the solder joint at the end. Feel the silky texture. Unbelievable. For this project, the thinnest version is absolutely sufficient. And last but not least, a standard lighter. This will give us a magical moment. Okay, let's get started. Let's turn on the soldering station with a simple press of the switch. Just a simple light press, no rush. Now we set the temperature and turn the knob smoothly until this happy little display shows the correct temperature. Yes, that's perfect. Now we can cut the cable at the damaged area. Look at this beautiful little rubber coated cable. We cut the cable from the left side with a tiny little cut. Straight away from your body, straight away with a tiny little cut. We will cut the cable open a little to separate the individual wires. This will make our work easier in the following steps. Just like that, just a little. Very carefully. We don't want to damage the insulation. Yes, exactly like that. Now we can strip the insulation from the small wires. Take it easy, don't rush. We carefully place the wire stripper and remove a small piece of insulation. The time has come and we can see the small, beautiful, shiny silver wires. Now we moisten all the ends with a few sweet drops of solder. To do this, we slowly heat the wires with the soldering iron until the solder drips onto the wires. Just like that. Not too much. Be careful. All right. Wonderful. It's time to clean the soldering iron. That's funny. Then we take the heat shrink tubing and carefully cut 4 equal-sized pieces from the beautiful silky heat shrink tubing. It's up to you. It's your decision, but it's important that the solder joint is carefully covered. Excellent. Alright, once we've coated all the ends with solder, we can reconnect the wires. First, we need to attach the 4 pieces of shrink tubing to the loose wire ends. Now we place the respective ends next to each other, just like this. Now we gently touch the solder coated ends with the soldering iron. A very gentle touch, a gentle kiss with the soldering iron. Incredible. Look how the wires merge together. In the last step, we can heat the shrink tubing. To do this, we use the lighter, slowly move the wire with this piece of heat shrink tubing through the flame. Slowly, but keep moving. You don't want it to burn. Let the flame guide you. Enjoy the step. Enjoy. Just enjoy. Great. Now, let's take a look at our finished work. Isn't it totally satisfying? A quick functional check. And it's done. A magical moment.
I think we call that a finished repairing. I really hope you've enjoyed this one. It will give you a challenge from my side. Happy repairing. God bless you, my friend.